In this video, we'll show you several ways you can wear your Kinky Curly Microlink extensions. Here's one of our SL Raw girls. She's wearing our 18-inch Kinky Curly eye tips. The first thing you'll notice is the versatility. When installed properly by a professional, these microlinks can be worn up in a ponytail. They can also be worn in a twist out. Remember, these tips are made of human hair, so style your hair freely. These eye tips can also be installed as fusions or microlinks. Here's a side-by-side of how the hair will arrive on the right versus once you've already washed them. Keep watching to see how we install our SL Raw Kinky Curly eye tips. Welcome to SL Raw Virgin Hair page. Right here, this is our model for today, and we're going to be installing our SL Raw Kinky Curly eye tips for 4A to 4C natural hair. Before we installed, we made sure that we washed those curls very good before installing these links in today. Right now, what you're seeing is halfway done. This is about 100 and something pieces installed. However, we went ahead and installed at least 200 eye tips for this installation. Right now, we're just showing you the versatility. When you're getting your install, they should be able to move freely. There shouldn't be any tugging, and links should not be visible. If installed correctly, you'll notice that you'll be able to comb through your hair. Hair will blend, look beautiful, and everything that you want from an installation.